Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you guys are here. I'm actually going to be doing a review of a new makeup product that I just bought and I'm really excited about it. It's Keyshia. She has a beauty line. It's been out for a really long time now, maybe like 2008, like a hot minute. She had like glitter lips before Pat McGrath, but she actually is revamping her beauty line and she came up with an eyeshadow palette that is like so bomb that I had to get. The packaging is really cute, as you can see. It's a picture of her here, and she was actually signing some of the eyeshadow palettes. How cute is this? I'm surprised the Kardashians actually don't have something like this. They might actually copy this. I wouldn't be surprised. But K, because her name is Keyshia, and then when you open it, she signed it right here for me. Or it's upside down. But you get it. And it comes with a brush right here, and then all of these eyeshadow palettes. It's so freaking cute. Like, this is brown girl OD friendly. Like, all the colors that any brown girl would want in an eyeshadow palette is in this palette. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So I want to use as many of these colors as possible, which I think is going to be really easy because these are colors that I can see myself wearing every day. This packaging is so beautiful. I really just want to just leave it in my makeup room like this. It's so cute. I wish my name started with a K because then it would mean a little bit more, but whatever. I'm going to start by using a crease color. I think the crease color that I'm going to go in with first is going to be Fire. This is like a red. And I'm just going to go in with the regular buffing brush. This is from Morphe, the M573. Alright, so far, there's a little bit of kickback. I want to show you guys. This palette actually comes with a mirror. I'm going to use the mirror that comes with it. And I will use the brush that comes with it too. It has a little bit of kickback, but that's not really a big deal for me because I always tap off the product before applying it on the eye so I don't have any fallout. Look how cute this brush is. Look at this. This is so adorable. It's like a fluffy like blending brush. I'm gonna try it. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna use this instead. So I'm gonna tap in on Fire and I'm gonna put that into the crease right here. Okay, I see it. It's picking up. It's nice. I already have primer on my lids. I did my full face. I did everything and I have primer already on my lids. Okay. In the crease, and I'm gonna go in with a blender brush like this. And I'm just gonna buff out any harsh lines. So far, the pigmentation is really good. I'm really happy about it. Yay! So I'm gonna go in with V-Day, which is a little bit deeper. It's not as red as the other color. And I'm going to place that in the outer corners, right here, but still in the crease. So I'm just going to build up that deepness and definition a little bit, but you know, not too much. And I'm gonna go in with Sexy. And that is the last color right here. I'm gonna use a smaller, more tapered brush. Just like a smaller, more detailed brush. Now I'm gonna go in with Brown Skin. This is the brown color right here. And I'm gonna place that right on top of where I put Sexy. I really want the outer corner to look very smoky. I'm actually gonna put black there as well, just to kind of really go in with like a smoky, sultry, sexy eye. That's the look that I'm going for. And instead of going right in with black, I like to go in with brown to build up the darkness. So far, I really love the pigment. And now I'm gonna go in with that same small brush that I used for Brown Skin. I'm gonna use the Night now. And place that right on top. And as you can see, I'm kind of doing it in a V shape, bringing it up to the crease but also bringing it down to my lash line at the same time. And just to blend that out, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe E27 brush and just blend it out. Alright, so just to clean up on the crease so it's not too deep and just to blend in the black that I placed in, I'm going to go back in with, I'm going to mix Fire and V-Day together, and I'm going to put that right on top of where that black is in the crease just to blend it out as much as possible. I don't want any harsh lines. The key to doing eyeshadow is blending as much as possible so it doesn't look like it's so obvious that you just took the brush and like placed it there and left it. You want it to look as smooth and even as possible. Now I'm gonna take another fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with Twisted right here. I'm gonna take that and place it right here to blend out that red so that it has like a smooth transition between the concealer that I put underneath my brow and the crease color, the red crease color. So of course I have to use one of these glitters. Right now I'm going to do something a little bit more like, I want to stick with berries and something really sultry. So I want to go in with Flirt, but has a little bit of like pink tones to it, which is similar to like the tones that I have on the eyes. And then I want to go into Night Glitz, and I'm going to put that closer to the outer corner where I place the black. So I usually like to go in with shimmer colors and use my finger and place it in, but I'm going to start using a brush just to see if it also works really well with the brush. And this is the BH Cosmetics brush. I'm going to take it and I'm going to actually put Flirt closer to the inner corner, and I'm going to put Night Glitz closer to the outer corner. It's really pigmented. Wow. 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 I'm not surprised though, because glitter is her thing. She has like a million different glitter lipsticks, so I'm sure she can get this right. Wow. This is really pretty. Like, guys, come on now. I'm gonna go back in with the same brush that I used for the brown and the black color. I'm gonna use this for Night Glitz, and I'm gonna put that next to Flirt, which is another metallic. Oh my god, this is so fire. It's another metallic color. There's like glitter flying everywhere. It's actually really cute. The other color is like super glittery, like you see it automatically. And this black one is not as glittery. See, it shows up on my finger. Okay, so I would say apply this black one with your finger. Alright guys, I am like so in love with this eyeshadow palette. Alright, I'm not done though, because you cannot leave your bottom lash bald, because that's weird. If you do the top and you do all of this and you leave your bottom lash bald, like... So I'm going to start with a V-Day, and I'm going to go in with Sexy, which is the plum color. And I'm going to go in with Brown Skin in the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with Night, which is the black, in the outer corner. I'm not going to bring it in too far. Because I'm going to put a black liner onto my waterline anyway. I'm going to go in with the black liner. This is from Black Opal. I love it. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. Let me get my mascara going. I'm going to use Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. So now that my mascara and my eyeliner is on, I put eyeliner on the bottom and on the top. Pencil liner, this is Black Opal. Now I'm gonna pop on my false lashes. These are velour silk lashes. This is called Fluff and Wispy. What I like to do is put my lash glue on my lashes, let it sit back in my case so that the lash glue can dry a little bit, and then I like to do my lips or something. All right, so right now I'm going to go in with my Atomic Makeup Highlighter. This is in the shade Pretty Penny. I love it. It reminds me so much of Topaz, which is one of my favorite highlighter colors from Becca Cosmetics, but that's $30 and this is $14. And you can use my coupon code to get some money off, so yeah, you can't lose with that. Like, look at this. Look how pretty this is. I love it. So I'm waiting for my lashes to dry and decided, you know, put on some highlighter. Alright, so I'm going to use a couple, maybe I'll use just one color, maybe I'll use two. From the new Atomic Makeup, they launched some of their cult favorite lipsticks and their beautiful new packaging. I'm going to use a lip liner and then I'm going to go in with Brick City. Gonna line my lip. This is, I think, Chestnut Cork by MAC. Don't laugh at me. I know, I need a new one. I'm not buying another one until it's run down to the ground, girl. I'm gonna go in with Debbie right in the center. Alright guys, so this is the complete look of the Keyshia eyeshadow palette. I'm going to give this eyeshadow palette a 10 out of 10. The pigments are beautiful. I love the packaging. The packaging itself is like amazing. The color choices are phenomenal. It has a mirror. The names of the eyeshadows are on the front, so I don't have to flip it back and forth to tell you guys what colors they are. Like, that's so annoying, and I love that she doesn't do that. And it comes with a brush, and the brush is so cute. I know I didn't use it because I already had my brushes that I'm used to and I love using in front of me, and I really wanted to give this eyeshadow palette a very honest and a fair shot. Like, if I always use these brushes, I'm gonna use it now for this palette. I'm excited to create more looks with this eyeshadow palette for you guys in the future. This product retails for $60. It is not cheap. I've actually spent $55 for Pat McGrath's eyeshadow palettes, which came with only 6. And Pat McGrath is amazing. Her packaging is great. I would splurge on a product when I feel like the packaging is great, the color choices are great. This is not like a product that I would say someone who's not into makeup buy it, because I know a lot of people who don't usually buy makeup, like, oh my god, that's a lot of money. But if you're someone who loves makeup and you want a really beautiful product to have in your beauty collection that you can create multiple looks with, I'm gonna say 100% go for it. I'm excited to see what other eyeshadow palettes she creates, and I hope she keeps the signature K packaging because it is so beautiful. Thanks so much, you guys, for tuning in to my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I have tons of beautiful videos and amazing content that I would love to share with you guys coming up very soon. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share with your friends. If you have any video requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, as well as following me on Instagram. You can write me a little message as well. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys soon. Bye.